Gauravardhanake, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Vani Government First Aid College, Hillur. Now talking about financial planning. Financial planning is the most important function of financial management or financial manager. Planning nothing but decided well in advance how much amount of capital will be required, what sources are raised, what proportionate allocation of fund, etc. are decided without raising of finance, allocation of fund and investment of fund. Financial planning, where to do, when to do, how to do is called as planning. Financial planning is the process of estimating the capital required, how much capital will be required, decided well in advance, and determining its composition. Nothing but whatever the capital should be raised out of that, what about owner's capital, what about fixed interest bearing capital. It is the process of framing financial policies in relation to procurement, investment, and administration of funds of one enterprises. So, before purchasing, using, raising, and allocation of funds well in advance, what about amount of capital be required? What are the sources we are going to be raised? That amount where invest? Nothing but which asset will be purchased, and administration of funds of an enterprise. Financial planning definition. According to Solomon and Pringle, financial planning may refer to the process of determining the financial requirement, how much capital will be required, how much funds will be required, and financial structure necessary to support a given set of plans in other area. Thus, financial activities are necessary if the firm is to be achieve its financial primary goals. So here determining the financial requirements and financial structure necessary to support and a given set of plans. Objective of financial planning: to ensure the availability of sufficient funds to achieve enterprise goals. It is the first and foremost objective of financial planning. At any moment, at any circumstances, the fund should be not a shortage, not a excess. In the sense, 100% complete invested in for the purpose of purchasing the fixed asset. At any moment, at any circumstances, the funds not exceeds, not decreases. It leads to availability of sufficient funds to achieve enterprise goals, namely profit maximization. Without a sufficient fund, purchasing of asset is not possible. That is why planning decided which type of asset should be purchased, what about the cost of the asset incurred, What about the installation charges or transfer charges, etc., are required? Such a sufficient fund raise, then only we can achieve the goals of the organization. Next, second will be to minimize the cost of raising fund. So, in order to raising a fund or obtaining the loans and advances or share capital or debenture capital, they have some of the expenditure will be incurred. In order to raising equity share, more advertising cost, more underwriting commission, etc. incurred. We go for in case of obtain the loans and advances by banks as well as finance institution delay, they ask several legal formalities. So in the most thing will be what about the raise funds? The cost of raising funds will be minimum that will be selected. So share capital, preference capital, debenture amount, bonds, public deposits, a loan from banks and the finance institution are the sources of funds or capital. So which source minimize the cost of capital or cost of raising fund? The sense which funds are raising the cost of capital expenditure will be minimized. Third will be to ensure optimum utilization of financial resources of the enterprise. I am already told scarce resources are maximum used, maximum utilization. Then only we can achieve the goals of the organization. So financial planning directly linked with the optimum utilization of financial resources of the enterprise. Next point will be to ensure adequate liquidity. In order to finance plan, you must having cash and cash equivalent asset, that is cash at bank, 100% adequate liquidity. Next will be to simplify the capital structure by minimizing the number of securities. Don't take more number of equity share capital mix. You can take two or three minimum capital structure, minimize securities take into consideration at the time of making a financial plan. Next will be to ensure flexibility of financial plan. Certain circumstances or certain situation, whatever we can expected, not happening in actual period of time. At that moment, there will be the chances of changing the finance plan. Next will be to ensure profits to the firm or enterprise. With the help of financial planning or good financial management, ensure profits to the firm or profits to the shareholder. Such a moment we can make a financial planning. So, steps in financial planning. Steps on financial planning are basically classified into 6 groups, namely projection of financial statements. Second will be determination of so funds required. Third one will be forecast the availability of funds. Fourth will be establish and maintain system of control. Develop the procedures control. established performance based management com- comparison system. Let us now discussing one by one detail. The first and foremost important steps of financial planning will be projection of financial statement. Financial statement nothing but final accounts of the company, namely trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Projection of financial statement is very much needed since it helps to analyze the effects of the operating plan on projected profits and various financial plan. The same projection can also ensure the proper monitoring of the implemented financial plan. Success of firm depends on our ability and identify the deviation from a financial plan. Second one will be determination of funds needed. It is another steps of financial planning. Anticipation of fund needed to invest on fixed asset, namely plant and machinery, land and building, furniture, equipment, so on, as well as current asset, inventories, receivable, sundry debtors, bills receivable, etc. for research and development programs and for major promotional complaints. So here determination of fund needed. What purpose the funds will be required or needed, whether we are going to purchasing a fixed asset, namely plant, land, building, machinery, furniture, equipment, as well as current asset, inventory, sundry debtors, receivable, or research and development programs, and for major promotional campaigns, how much funds will be needed with the help of steps of financial plan. Determination, so funds needed. Funds will be needed for purchasing of fixed asset or payment of day-to-day expenses or acquiring current asset or for the improvement of promotional campaigns. Next, third one is the forecast the availability of funds. Forecast estimated well in advance. The required funds may be generated from two sources or internal sources or external sources. This step involves estimation of funds to be generated internally, which automatically identify the amounts of fund to be raised from outside. So we can discussing about internal sources of funds or external sources of funds. How much of funds are internally available? How much amount of fund raised through outsiders or external sources of fund. So we are going to forecast what about internal sources of fund, what about the amount of external sources of fund is required, identify the amount of fund to be raised from outside. So it can be explained with the help of one example. Company earning a profit. Out of that, a small percentage of profit should be distributed shareholder in the form of dividend. the 90% of remaining amount should be kept, and we can manage how much fund are raised through equity share capital or other sources of finance. In the sense, how much funds are available in the hands of the company, how much funds are rising through external sources. The next point will be established and maintain system of control. So planning and control are the twins of management. Where planning is there will be a control system is necessary to see the proper and effective utilization of funds. What about decided? According to on that basis, the work or progress will be take place or not. 100% complete effective utilization fund within the firm. It makes sure that the basic financial plan is carried out properly. In other words, establish and maintain system of control, nothing but proper planning and control. What about amount of fund utilized? It makes sure that the basic financial plan carried out properly. Whatever the funds are raised, 100% effective utilization of funds within the firm, such a type of control take place. Next will be develop procedures. It is the fifth important steps of financial planning. Developing procedure ensure consistency or action. Procedure should be developed for adjusting the basic plan. If the economic forecast upon which the plan was based do not materialize. For example, if the economy turns out to be stronger than was forecasted, then the procedure will help. This system is really feedback loop which triggers modification to the financial plan. At the time of making a plan, economic development or economy will be weak, but actual take place strong. Or in the starting, at the time of making plan, economic condition will be strong, but actual take place weak economic development. So we can make develop the procedure. Next step will be establish performance based management comparison system. It is very much needed to reward managers for doing what stakeholders want to them to do, maximizing of share prices. So here establishment performance, the higher authority fixing planning and the lower authority doing work. If the manager do efficient work, efficiency management, at the moment maximization of share price, more return to shareholders take place. The top management make plan or financial management make plan, but the financial manager or assistant or subordinate cannot do proper work. They take inefficiency, maximization of share price not possible. Best return to shareholders not take place. Establishment establish performance, fixed goals and actual goals achieved. On that basis we are achieving the goals for the purpose of effective control.